Alright, so for those of you that are ordering or just picked up your shiny new iPhone 16 series device, you're probably looking at some of the best accessories out there to get, whether it comes to cases, chargers, or screen protectors. We have you covered. We already have our best case video up on the channel already, and soon to come is our charging videos for best portable charging accessories and home charging accessories. For this video though, I want to go ahead and take some time and show you guys one of the best screen protectors that we've used, and that's that Spigen protector. This video is not sponsored by any means. We're not sponsored by Spigen. They didn't send this to us. We bought it with our own money. I want to show you how the install works and how the touch sensitivity is with this once it's installed. Let's go.
So as you can see here, this is that Spigen glass screen protector. It comes with the housing. It comes with 2 packs of the glass screen protector as well. And again, this is one of the best options we've used for the past few years on our 15 Pro Max and other accessories as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and take it right out of the packaging. So as you can see, 2 packs, 2 individual screen protectors. We're going to go ahead and just set one to the side. As is traditional, you get all of your equipment to kind of scrape away any additional bubbles that there may be. You have your simple instructions that we'll talk about in a second. And then you're going to have your alcohol pad, your drying pad, and your dust removal strips, as you can see here. We'll go ahead and set all of this to the side for a second. All you need is obviously one of each for each time you're going to put a new screen protector on. Go ahead and open this right up and get that ready. So here's our instructions. Just like we said again, it is very simple to really operate. What you're going to want to do here is obviously look for the installation pad. Then you're going to use a cleaning wipe, peel off the back film, put the frame over your phone, spread it down right on top, hold the sticker, pull it, and squeegee away any small bubbles that might remain. So again, very easy. Here is that installation pad that we were talking about. What we're going to go ahead and do, set this right on top. Go ahead and give this a little wipe down. Making sure there's nothing else on the display. I'm not too worried about the dust pad. I will just dry it off just a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and peel this off the back and set this right down as such. And then once it's down there, you're going to want to press this aside just like that. And you can kind of see it spreading out. So when that's done, you're going to want to go ahead and peel this back just like that. And then lift it up and peel the last sticker off. And as you can see, pretty flawless in my opinion. So you're going to have a couple of little spots that might pop up. I usually just like to squeegee once over just to make sure it's all good. And there we go. So once that's all done, you can see just a little added thickness, but you have that tempered glass screen protector ready to go. I don't actually see a single bubble this time. I'm trying to let that ring reflect it. Yeah, I don't see anything this time. It literally is that easy. So if you're looking for one of the best options for a screen protector, again, Spigen makes great cases, and their glass screen protector is always super quick and easy to put on. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to pick one up. Please use that affiliate link. It definitely helps us out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.